silicone tray is a smart and practical way to hold small parts like screws, pins, washers, or bolts. It has built-in magnets in the base that help keep both the tray and its contents secure, even when placed on uneven or slanted surfaces like a car hood. If your car's built-in sensors aren't working well or don't warn you about nearby obstacles, this third-party parking sensor might help. It's a small device you can attach to your garage wall or door. When your car gets too close, especially the fender or side mirror, it gives off a warning beep and flashes a red light to help you stop in time and avoid scratches or dents. The sensor is powered by 4 OA batteries, but you can also connect an external battery using a USB cable. It comes with screws and brackets, so installing it is simple. The whole unit costs about $32 and offers peace of mind when parking in tight spaces. It's a great solution for safer parking at home. Sometimes a simple oil change can turn into a messy job. Parts get dirty, clogged, or even broken. That's where the SCA Portable Parts Washer comes in. It's designed to clean up greasy or dirty components quickly and easily. The built-in tank holds up to 60 liters of water-based cleaning solution, and the flexible spout pumps up to 3 liters per minute for powerful cleaning. A graded bottom keeps small parts from falling and getting lost during the wash. What makes this washer super handy is that it's an all-in-one unit, sink, pump, and reservoir all built together. It's portable, efficient, and ready to use right out of the box. Priced at $253, it's a great tool for DIY mechanics and pros alike. Pit Protect is a smart safety solution for car workshops with inspection pits. While there's no official count of how many people fall into these pits, the makers of Pit Protect say it happens more often than you'd think, and it's totally avoidable. Their product acts as a strong safety cover for open pits. The basic version looks like a sturdy plate with gaps, like a rack, that sits over the pit and blocks access. It's easy to place and remove. But if you want something more advanced, there's also a sliding curtain model. This version stretches to nearly 3 times its size and locks securely on both sides of the pit. Changing the oil in some cars, like the Chevrolet Colorado, can get really messy because the filter is placed in a tricky spot. That's where the Ryco flexible funnel comes in handy. Made by the Australian brand Ryco, this funnel, model RST300L, can bend into different shapes, like a tube or a gutter, to direct oil where you want it to go. It's 55 by 20 centimeters, small enough to store in your glove box. The best part? It's made from tough material that can last for decades, unless your dog chews it up. This simple tool helps keep your hands clean and your garage floor spotless when you're working on your car. Need to inflate your car tires, bike, or even a pool float? The Slime Garage Air Inflation Station has you covered. This compact Slime 470 mini compressor mounts right on your wall and plugs into a regular outlet. With its 6-meter hose, it easily reaches all your tires. It even has a built-in pressure gauge near the nozzle, so you won't overinflate anything. It's always ready to go, but never in your way. Perfect for inflating car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, garden tools, trailers, and even toys. Basically anything that needs air. Simple, convenient, and reliable, this all-purpose air pump is great for home garages. Aira's Tool Spanner Wrench Extender. Ever struggled to loosen a stubborn nut because your wrench just isn't long enough? You might think of welding a rod to make it longer, but that could damage your tool. Thankfully, there's a smarter solution, the Aira's Spanner Wrench Extender. This handy tool attaches directly to your existing wrench, instantly giving you a longer handle, 38 centimeters to be exact. With more length comes more leverage. The Tower 5 Connect is perfect for anyone who enjoys working on cars. It gives off 5,000 lumens of bright, clear light, and its lamps rotate 360 degrees, so you won't lose sight of any screws or tools. What makes it stand out is how easy it is to use and move around. When folded, it looks like a compact 6 kilograms tube. But in just a few quick steps, it turns into a tripod light that stands 90 centimeters tall. It runs on Metabo batteries, the same kind used in power tools like drills and grinders, so you might already have one at home. Whether you're in a garage or working outdoors, tired of your power tools stopping mid-job because the cord popped out? The Vivor retractable extension cord reel can solve that. It keeps cords neatly coiled, so there's no messy tangle on the floor. Just pull out what you need, and it reels back in when you're done. Vivor offers over 20 different versions, mainly varying in length. The shortest stretches 9 meters, while the longest reaches up to 24 meters. Each one comes with a wall mount bracket and self-tapping screws, so you can easily install it in your garage or workshop. Wheel roller. This handy tool makes it easier to clean or remove your car's wheels. It's especially useful before storing tires for winter or taking off alloy wheels. The design is simple. A strong maple wood bar holds 2 rollers, which are mounted on steel plates. Just place your wheel between the rollers and spin it by hand. This makes cleaning or working on the wheel much easier. Despite its basic look, the roller comes in different sizes to fit various wheel diameters. It's a practical solution for car owners who do their own maintenance. Prices start at around $250, with some models going up to $328 depending on the size and build. A simple tool, but very useful in the garage.